We all know someone who has a signature dish. Maybe it's you, a family member, a friend. Everyone always asks them to bring that dish to a party or a social event or whatever. And for my mom, it's her chicken parm. Everyone loves it. And so whenever there's a party, no one is thinking about the person who brought the generic chips and dip or, some boxed dessert. It's always, ooh, Donna's bringing her chicken parm, and everyone gets excited about it. Your offer needs to be a signature dish. You don't want to be the coach who is just bringing chips and dip to the party. A signature dish brings your talents, your background, your love and care, and mixes it with some really good ingredients, all put together in a special way that the result is delicious. It's satisfying. Everyone loves it. They rave about it. They tell other people about it. When you stop doing coaching like chips and dip and you start bringing chicken parm to the table or whatever your signature dish is, you're going to see people start raving about it. You're going to get more referrals. Your business is going to go up and it's just going to be a lot more valuable. You can sell it for more. And that is super important when building your business and trying to get out of the feast and famine cycle.